Hello, my most beautiful and glamorous besties. My name is Gigi. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to celebrate Chinese or Lunar New Year. We're going to do a beautiful red base by Modelones. And I am removing the sticky layer first with acetone and second with alcohol. I want to make sure there's nothing left behind because we're going to do isolated chrome, and that's real easy to mess up. And once you mess up, it's real hard to fix. So, I mean, it's fixable, but you've got to be careful and you got to really work at it. So what I'm doing is just, making the basic shape of a snake, because this year's Chinese zodiac symbol is the snake, but more it's the wood snake. This would take a long time for me to look it all up and try to figure out, enough about the Chinese zodiac to give you any kind of an idea what actually that means. But it is the wood snake this year. And so if you are a wood snake and you know a lot about it, hit us in the comment section. Let us know what all that is all about. Just a cursory glance. Somebody born under the wood snake is very intelligent and creative and charming. So that is a good combination to be. I'm going to go ahead and say. I am personally a rabbit. I don't know what element rabbit. I think they're elements. But again, please, I do not know Dickie McGee's acts about the zodiac. Even about the zodiac that I learned all my life, which is, I don't know what it's called. If this is lunar, maybe it's sun, and maybe it's the sun's. Maybe it's sun. Okay, so there you go. That's how much I've looked into zodiac in my life. There you go. I did hear recently Neil deGrasse Tyson say something about there's actually 13 signs, not 12, and that you probably aren't the sign that you think you are. So I next time I see that video pop up, I need to watch it so that I can understand what he's talking about, because I'd be curious to know if I'm not a double Sagittarius like I think I am. So now that we've got our snake down, and we have that snake all chromed up. Sorry, I didn't like that. We're going to start again. We're just going to start that again because that was not good. That's why you always, always, always base coat. Okay? There's a reason to leave that little mistake in, because it reminds me to tell you that I did base coat this so I wouldn't lose the chrome if I made a mistake. There you go. So anyway, the snake is all chromed up and beautiful. And now I'm just going to come in and add some little doodads. In my mind, I was making flowers, like half flowers. I feel like that's not what it reads like. I feel like it just reads like stripes coming from different sides of the body. But you know what? I had an image. When I looked up what was the animal this year, I found out wood snake, which was something I didn't know, that there were like elemental additions to each animal, but it's the wood snake. And then I saw this picture of a card that you can buy for the Lunar New Year this year, and it was roughly this picture. Just a picture of a gold snake on a red background, and it had flowers. That was just a little mistake. Another thing to show you why it's so important to base coat. Okay, I'm just hammering that point home. So anyway, and I just really was instantly attracted to that picture. And I was like, okay, maybe I can't make it perfectly look like that, but I bet I can get close. And honestly, I don't think I did that bad of a job. So, I'm going to look for that picture. If I can find it again, I'll add it into the video so you can see. Now so I'm going to do that snake on 2 nails. On 3 of the nails, we're going to give it this little flower treatment, which, if I'm being honest, doesn't look that dissimilar to maybe snowflakes. But, you know, honestly, I think it looks enough like a flower that it flies. There you go. Kind of, too, if I'd been more into making the little teardrop shape, it kind of reminded me of peacock, like the NBC peacock. If you're in America, you know what NBC is. If you're not, maybe you don't. It's just a television network, and they have a peacock as a symbol. See, like when I look at it one way, I'm like flower. If I look at it another way, I feel like it looks like a snowflake. But, you know, I like it. I like the way this set came out. I'm super happy with it. I'm not a big red girly per se, but I feel like this would be a fun set to wear, you know, if you had a specific thing to wear it for, like Lunar New Year, that it would be really fun. So again, of course, we are going to go ahead and chrome this. And here we go. Be careful with your chromes, guys. They're easy to knock over, like I almost ruined when I opened it earlier. So just be careful with your chromes. They're easy to lose all your chrome. It is. I've done there, been there, done that. And it makes you sad. So there we are. Beautiful isolated chrome though. If you want it to look more shiny and chromy, you definitely want to use top coat instead of black like I did. But I really just wanted the chrome to be chrome, you know, just rich in color. And on top of black is when you get that. So that's why I went on ahead and did it the way I did it. So what we're going to do now, we've got, and again, base coat. I did base coat everything, okay? Because if I had messed any of this up, I would not want to ruin it. So I did a full base coat before I came in to do this next part, which is just top coat and adding a few gems. If you're going to wear the nails, like I just put these on to show them to you. If you're going to wear them, you're going to want to use something a little more substantial than just top coat to put those on. But that is what we did in this case. Just a little bit of top coat. It'll get you through for in a pinch. I cannot keep gems on to save my life, no matter what product I've ever used. So if you know a really good one, hit us in the comment section and let us know what you love. This is the finished set though, guys. Let me know what you think about them in the comment section below, of course. I want to see what you think down there. Also, while you're down there, we're getting super close to a giveaway. We are 60 subscribers away from a giveaway, and I've already purchased the prize that someone is going to win. So please click that big red button if you haven't already, because anyway, it's free and it keeps you coming back to see more videos and hang out with me. I haven't done a live in like a million years, but I was thinking that maybe in the next week or two I would do a little live just for funsies, right? And maybe we would pick some nails out of the bag, if you know, you know, and do some recreations. So guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you very much. We are going to see you in the next one. You have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.